Hi guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and mag-aalmusal tayo. Grabe naman yung filter na yan. Ang ganda. So anyway guys, ang almusal ko ito. This is my breakfast. Lolo, what it called this? Sourdough with cheese and butter. And olives. Then I have a cheese bread with tomato. Cheese bread with tomato. And then I have a dry tomato. One of my favorite. Yum. Dry tomato. This one. I like this one with vegetable salad. But we don't have. So, yeah. Sarap niyan, guys. Yummers. And then, I have a feta cheese. Feta stock pepper is like, yeah. Wait, we open it first. Ganito siya. Unang bukas, masarap ka agad. Charot. My breakfast. My breakfast. Ayan. Tapos, meron ako ditong kato. Pati yung mukha ko, grabe. Milk. Good morning. Ito yung pagkain ko. Wait. Ayan ang food ko. Dry tomato, pepper stock, and then, yeah. And milk. Gatas tinday. Breakfast ko. Thanks for the blessings. Good morning, Sunday. It's Sunday today. Pinilignan na naman ako ng lolo ko. Ang pasaway. Let's taste it. Taste it. Sourdough. It's very hard, lolo. Very yapping. Yum. There's this one with the coffee and then dip in the coffee with orange juice, lolo boom. I like orange juice and I will put in this one is nice with tomato. Oh my goodness. So tasty. This one tomato dry. I need to take my milk. Ang sarap niya, guys. Sobrang sarap. Yun ito, share ng paper. Hindi ko na-end yung vlog kasi upo ako dun sa sala. Doon ako kakain. Yan na ng filter ko, guys. I promise. Bye and God bless. Happy Sunday.